Hello friends, I am Sudeep. Today we are going to see about SOAP UI. First question is, what is SOAP UI? SOAP UI comprises of two words, SOAP and UI. UI, as we all know, is a user interface. So SOAP UI is a user interface for SOAP. SOAP is a protocol used for web services. Now the second question comes, what is web services? Friends, whenever we go to Google server and we find something, we are sending some request to the Google server, and in turn we are getting some response from the Google server. This request and response is sent by using the web services. I'll give you one more example. Suppose we have an insurance website. Insurance website is connected to many providers. We just have to give the data to in the insurance website, which will be sent to many providers, and in turn we will get some response from each provider. This is also done with the help of web services. Web services in turn uses XML. These insurance websites will send the request to the different providers using XML. Now we can't just send this XML on the internet. There are chances that this can be get hacked. This XML or data can get corrupted. So for the secure transportation of the data, we have protocols. These are SOAP and REST protocols. With the help of these protocols, we can implement web services in secure manner. These web services are transported using the HTTP protocol. Now, to test these web services, we use SOAP UI tool. As I've told you, SOAP is a protocol. The full form of the SOAP is Simple Object Access Protocol. The basic difference between SOAP and HTTP protocol is that SOAP is used to write the XML, whereas HTTP protocol is used to send the XML. The response which we get from the server is also in the SOAP protocol, SOAP format, I should say. And the response is also transported using the HTTP protocol. This is another example. Suppose we have our local machine and we have a server where we want to send some request, and in turn we are expecting some response from the server. The request and response are sent using the XML, but transportation is done using the HTTP protocol. Now friends, web service will hit the server and it will get the response for the request which we have made. Web service will not be allowed to touch any other part of that server. This is an advantage of the web service. Now web service also has a term known as WSDL file. WSDL, or we can say WSDL. It stands for Web Service Descriptive Language. WSDL is very difficult to understand in the raw format. Hence, to decode that, we have SOAP UI tool. We can give the path of the WSDL file to create the project, and then we can use the functions in it. I can show you the WSDL file from here. This is the WSDL file. With the help of this raw WSDL file, we won't be able to understand anything. But SOAP UI uses this WSDL file to decode this WSDL file and to make functions out of it. And we can use those functions for our testing purpose. Friends, this was the introduction about the SOAP UI. If you have any questions, you can always contact us. Thank you.